Today I am reviewing the MSI Thin 15.6-inch FHD 144Hz gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a sleek, high-performance gaming laptop that can handle both gaming and productivity without being bulky, the MSI Thin 15.6-inch gaming laptop 2025 is an option that deserves serious attention. This laptop packs a lot of performance into a slim form factor, making it ideal for gamers, students, and professionals who want power on the go. Let's start with the display. The laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD screen with a 144Hz refresh rate and thin bezels. This combination delivers smooth visuals and immersive gameplay. Whether you're playing fast-paced esports titles like Valorant, CS2, or Apex Legends, the high refresh rate ensures motion is fluid and responsive. The IPS panel provides good color accuracy and viewing angles, making it suitable not only for gaming, but also for media consumption and content creation. Under the hood, the MSI Thin comes equipped with an Intel Core i5-13420H processor. This 13th generation CPU is designed to balance performance and efficiency. It handles modern games, multitasking, and productivity applications smoothly. Combined with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, you can run multiple apps simultaneously without slowing down. Gaming, streaming, or even doing some light video editing. All of this can be done comfortably on this laptop. Graphics performance is powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU with 8 GB of VRAM. This GPU allows you to enjoy AAA titles at high settings with smooth frame rates. You can expect excellent performance in games like Call of Duty, Fortnite, Minecraft, and Elden Ring at Full HD, while also taking advantage of NVIDIA's DLSS technology to boost performance in supported titles. For gamers wanting solid visuals without needing a desktop setup, the RTX 4060 hits a sweet spot in both performance and efficiency. Storage is handled by a 512 GB NVMe SSD, providing fast boot times, near-instant application launches, and quick game load speeds. While 512 GB may require careful management of large game libraries, the laptop's SSD ensures you'll spend minimal time waiting and more time gaming. It also supports upgrades for those who need additional space down the line. One of the strengths of the MSI Thin series is its portability. At 15.6 inches, it's not too big, and the lightweight design makes it easy to carry around campus, work, or gaming sessions elsewhere. Despite being slim, the laptop's thermal management is well designed. The combination of vents and cooling technology keeps temperatures reasonable under heavy workloads, preventing throttling and ensuring consistent performance. Connectivity is versatile as well, supporting USB ports, HDMI, and wireless standards. You can easily connect external monitors, peripherals, or gaming accessories. The keyboard and trackpad are responsive and comfortable for long gaming or work sessions. While it may not have mechanical keys like some larger MSI laptops, it's still very usable and precise. The laptop is built for versatility. Whether you're a gamer who needs a portable machine, a student who also wants to game during downtime, or a creative professional doing moderate content creation, the MSI Thin 15.6-inch gaming laptop is up to the task. Its combination of CPU, GPU, and display specs provide the balanced experience that meets the demands of 2025 titles without being bulky or overpriced. Of course, there are trade-offs. The storage may feel limited for users with massive game libraries, and the 16 GB RAM, while sufficient today, might need an upgrade in the future for heavy multitasking or editing large media files. However, these are minor compromises for a laptop that balances portability, performance, and affordability. In conclusion, the MSI Thin 15.6-inch FHD 144Hz gaming laptop offers an excellent gaming experience in a slim, portable package. With its Intel Core i5-13420H CPU, NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, 16 GB RAM, and 512 GB NVMe SSD. It's a versatile choice for gamers and professionals alike. If you want a laptop that can handle modern games, smooth multitasking, and media creation without being bulky, this MSI Thin laptop is a solid choice for 2025.